Just got off my flight from Frankfurt with Etihad on one of their Boeing 787 Dreamliners, and I'm just heading through to the Etihad Business Class Lounge here at Abu Dhabi. Today, I'm flying through to Melbourne, Australia. If you haven't yet had a chance to look at that video, I've got that flight review up on my channel, and I'll also link it in the description below for you. I've arrived at the lounge. I'm going to go and freshen up. These shower rooms provide you with everything you need. There is little to no ventilation in here, but in saying that, Etihad are opening up their new Terminal A, which will have brand new facilities. It is early in the morning here, so there's only a small selection of food and drink options, but enough to get you through. I'm going to grab a coffee and some fruit, and then I'm going to check out the rest of this lounge. It's nearly time to board, so I'm going to go and head to the gate. I'm sitting in a window seat today, which is seat 6A. It's the same seat that I sat in on the way here, just on a different aircraft. I'll take you through the configuration of this cabin a little bit later on in this video. Upon boarding, a crew member came around with a hot towel, a refreshing drink, and some roasted nuts. I got the lemon and mint juice, which is absolutely delicious. Whilst I enjoy these, we're going to push back and taxi to the runway. Let's go. If this is you as well, I'd love to hear it in the comments. I love taxiing to the runway and getting to see all the different aircraft type that are on the ground. Here's one of Etihad's A380s. This is a new terminal. I'm super excited to check it out next time I'm here. Time to take to the skies. Now that we're up in the sky, I'll show you around the cabin. This cabin is configured in a 1-2-1 layout. Each row features one seat by each window and two seats in the middle, with half of the seats facing forward and the other half are facing backward. The middle seats alternate directions, so every passenger gets direct aisle access. The forward-facing window seats, which is where I'm sitting today, are positioned closer to the window, giving you unobstructed views, while the backward-facing window seats are closer to the aisle. This is really well thought out, and the staggered arrangement maximises space for everyone. While I take you through the seat specifications, I'm going to have this fruit that I ordered earlier. This tray table is really sturdy and it's great if you want to get some work done. For reference, my laptop is 15 inches and there's some space around it as well. Etihad offer a la carte, which means that you can order your meal whenever it suits you best. To start off, I ordered the squash and coconut milk soup with lime yogurt, basil and crushed cashew. It came with a side salad, some bread, butter, olive oil, dressing and salt and pepper. Whilst I enjoy this and wait for my main, let's check out the in-flight entertainment system and some extra features. Etihad offer a great range of movies, TV shows and other entertainment, and although there is something for everyone and it is a pretty decent selection, I don't think that anything compares to the Emirates entertainment system. The amenities kit is by Aqua de Palma and is stocked with socks, hand cream, hand sanitizer, a couple of sanitizing wipes and some perfume. The restroom also provides you with his products so you won't go without. There's also a baby change table and a full-length mirror. I ordered the Emirati chicken Margooga with poached bread and roasted vegetables. Although the presentation isn't incredible, this is the most delicious meal I've had in the sky so far. Here's the seat and bed mode. It's got a mattress pad, a quilt and a pillow. My height is 5'5" and I still have quite a bit of room. It's a couple of hours still before landing and it's early in the morning in Melbourne, so I've ordered some bircher muesli with natural yogurt, blueberry, strawberry and crunchy apricot granola. This came with some fruit, a croissant, blueberry muffin and I ordered a cappuccino to go with it. The muesli was delicious but I didn't try the muffin or croissant because I was full. To end off the flight, I'm having a chamomile tea while I fill out this incoming passenger card for entering Australia. This is the first time I've been home in the last 7 months and I'm excited to be here for a bit before I head back off on my next adventure. As we come in for landing, I just want to thank you guys so much for joining me and a massive thank you for your support. For updates when I post a new video, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this review. Until next time, enjoy the journey.